Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these really cute, lightweight foam earrings. You guys, I first got this idea from a shirt that I had that had like all different color shapes. And so I made me a matching pair of earrings. And they were so lightweight, but it made such a huge statement that I was like, I gotta make more colors for my other outfits. So, yeah, I'm also gonna post these up on the website too. But you guys, these are like super, super, super lightweight. They are big. They make a statement, but they do not have the weight. They don't carry the weight. Now these are mine, so these won't be up there. But I want to do these in like all the colors, you know, like red, black, and white. Navy blue and white, maybe with some like gold rhinestones. I think that would be super cute. You guys, like, get creative with this. There's so much you can do with foam. I love working with foam because it's lightweight. It's so lightweight. So let's go ahead and get up into this craft. And if you have any questions at all, as always, please feel free to ask. All right, let's go. Alright, so to get started, we're just going to take pieces of scrap felt, whatever you have on hand. So we need some felt sheets. I'm going to be using my glue gun. And to make the perfect circle, I'm going to be using these circle thinlits and running them through my my Sizzix machine. And that's how I'm going to achieve the perfect circle cutouts for my earrings. You're also going to need jump rings, earring hooks. But yeah, so actually I have no idea what I'm going to do first. For this first pair, I think I'm just going to do some colorful ones, and I'm going to be doing weird shapes. So let's go ahead and get started.